Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich with your outlook for July 15th, 2015. For your Wednesday, we're going to have a cold front that's approaching the area today, and this is going to help to push this area of low pressure just off the Delmarva. It's going to help it push it to the east, but it's going to be a very slow process. Actually, if I back up here one frame, you can see where this cold front is. This is in the pre-dawn hours here. It's out back to our west. Area low pressure is down here by the Delmarva. As this front pushes down to the southeast, behind it everything's going to be clearing from northwest to southeast, but it'll actually allow this area low pressure to be pushed off in this direction. But before it does so, I think our eastern and southeastern sections are going to get into a little bit of rain today. Here's the next frame again. You can see that over eastern sections, mainly over New Jersey, southeastern Pennsylvania, and over Delaware. You can see this rain showing up here, and that says this front is now in this position right here, pushing this thing further offshore. So it's going to be a little bit of a process early on in this. Might be hanging around most of the day, especially as you get closer to the shore points. But maybe some mid-afternoon or so for areas across northern New Jersey, southeastern PA, places like that. Let's go over the NAM high-res future simulated radar and take a look at 2 p.m. on Wednesday. And at this point, you can see the frontal boundary is actually sitting up here like this. Our low pressure is offshore. It's actually a little bit further east than this that's showing here, moving up in this direction. So you do have some wraparound moisture here that's going to be falling across southeastern PA, probably in Delaware, South Jersey, places like that. So we'll get into some of that activity until this cold front can push everything through. For areas in the northwest here, you're in the clear here today. Going to be a nice day up here. Whereas we get all the rain yesterday in places like Williamsport, we got a pretty good amount of rain last night. All the way back to State College, Northumberland County, Union, Snyder, places like that are going to have a pretty nice day up into the northern Poconos. But, expecting elsewhere to have at least showers to start, and then this wraparound moisture will continue off just in eastern sections here, and we should have improving conditions again from northwest to southeast as this frontal boundary edges down to the southeast. So places here stuck in the middle, like right about here, that's not going to be in the rainfall. Actually, I should probably draw this a little bit better because I'm not on the right axis here. But areas probably northwest of this line here, we'll see at least some clearing later in the afternoon. I think once you get up here, up in this area here, you should be good to go after some early morning showers. This stuff here in the middle might hang around till about noon or thereabout, and then southeast of there is where you're going to be stuck when those clouds and showers for a good portion of the day. And hopefully that front can be a little bit faster and push that through. Once we get past this, though, partly cloudy skies overnight, clearing conditions, and we have a very nice couple days setting up here with high pressure and control sitting over New England here, and that'll be controlled both Thursday and Friday. This is going to mean another couple days of very low humidity, very nice days. Then we get into Saturday. It could be an isolated shower or thunderstorm late in the day here, but most of the day is rain-free. And another thing we're going to be dealing with on Saturday is an increase in humidity, increase in temperatures. And that'll be the theme as we go on into Sunday and Monday as well. As a matter of fact, many areas here in from east central PA and southeastern PA into southern New Jersey, Delaware, places like that will have the temperature reach 90 degrees by the time we get to Sunday and Monday. So be very hot in some locations, might be even classified as a heat wave along the I-95 corridor. We'll have to wait and see how the guidance handles that. And here's later on, here's the isolated chance of a thunderstorm later Saturday, and then the same thing happens here later on Sunday with an isolated thunderstorm possible, very isolated. This is like a 20-30% chance, not a big deal. And then the same thing happens here on Monday. We're very hot again ahead of this cold front, but this cold front is going to come through and bring some scattered showers and thunderstorms, it looks like, later in the day on Monday. At least that's the way it looks right now. But we're looking at the period from Saturday through Monday, looking to be increasing humidity, increasing heat, and maybe not, if you're not hitting 90 degrees where you live on Saturday, you got a much better chance of that Sunday and again on Monday before that cold front moves through. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich, and that is your outlook for July 15th, 2015. Have a great Wednesday.